I'm so excited to announce that I'll be hosting my first ever Haroun Education MBA Open House this Friday, October 9th at 11 a.m. PST. That's Pacific Standard Time. If you've ever heard me talk about the program and wondered what it would be like to be one of my students, then I invite you to join me this Friday for this live event. Now, during the open house, I'll be giving one sample lesson from the program, and I'll be answering questions live, so you will experience exactly what it's like to be a student in the program. And everybody attending will receive a free course called The Foundations of Entrepreneurship. Just for showing up, you're going to get some of my best stuff. Additionally, I'll be giving away one scholarship for gold and one scholarship for platinum, as well as one one-on-one call with me where I can help you with anything related to getting a job, starting a business, getting promoted, making your LinkedIn profile from scratch, and much, much more. So don't miss out on my first ever Haroun Education Open House this Friday at 11 a.m. PST. Trust me, you won't want to miss this awesome event. I can't wait to see you there, and thank you.